Oh yeah, let me show you. I guess that would be my personal trick that I share with every Ural owner, but now we will share it.
Because it almost doesn't look like there's one there, but it's stored very neatly.
So we will show our viewers how it's done. And this is, you don't have to actually remove it. As you can see, there's clear access here. So you can see how it's folded. And all you need to do is you do need to unclip it from these. This is how it is when it's fully installed. And this Velcro goes around here. This goes here. And here's your normal tonneau cover, the same thing for that side. So if you wanted to, you can remove it altogether, but it takes extra steps. Or you can roll it. All you need to do is to remove this, reinstall that back, and then you would stretch it out and just pull this side in. Oops, here it is. Pull this side in and do the same on the other side. And then all you need to do is just, and it's very enjoyable, very relaxing.
Satisfying.
Satisfying, that's the word. And then it actually has a really nice match here. All you need to do is slide, kind of bring it nice and tight, and then slide that end and this end and just put it back in. And check this out. It actually looks so nice and neat. And now you can get in and out easier. And this is important. Never take off on a Ural motorcycle with this windshield retracted that way, because you will have interference with your steering bar. So this always needs to go back here. And now if it's too windy, or maybe it starts to rain, and if I have my helmet, all I need to do, if I'm a passenger, I just need to unroll it, and I can, obviously reinstall these back. But this serves awesome purpose as a wind and rain protection. So that's really, there's another way to fold it. You can fold it halfway and then fold it in if you're already in the sidecar, and it still works out to be the same way. So check this out. Yeah, we found this to be a very effective way to store this tonneau cover. So with the tonneau cover out of the way, literally, we can get out.